Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Erica Adrienne. I do makeup, and the last time I filmed this video, as you've seen by the title, it's me turning myself into a Backwood, and I filmed this in October of 2019, and I'm just posting it now because I just edited it now, so I just thought it was still worth posting and that some people might still want to see it. So I'm going to post it, and I hope you guys enjoy. And I just want to say that during times like these, it's really helpful to watch YouTube videos and Netflix or whatever you guys are into watching. So I just wanted to be that for you by taking up 20 minutes of your time with my YouTube video. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started with the video.
Okay, to start off this video, I am just taking my Healthy Foundation and just putting a light layer of that in all the spots that I need it. And I'm still going to be doing a full face with concealer and everything too. So I'm only really just using it as needed. And then I purchased this face palette that I'm about to show on Amazon. And I believe it was under like $20, and it came with some other makeup as well, so I would recommend it. It worked pretty good, although I only used about 3 of the colors. And this is the Wet n Wild palette that I was talking about. So next I'm just taking the pink and blue and mixing them together to create my purple color. And it's actually way easier to mix blue and pink, in case you didn't know, instead of blue and red to make purple. So if you happen to have pink, it's way faster. So I just mix those two colors together, and I'm placing it on the two areas where I want to do the honey effect. So the first one is on my forehead, and then the other one is over by my jawline area. After I blended out my purple with some pink, I just am taking my Anastasia brow pencil. You could really use any brow pencil that you have. And then I took some white body paint and mixed it in with my purple to create my light purple shade. And then next I am doing a bunch of hexagons. I believe that's the shape on my face. And they all really just line up perfectly together if you are careful and patient. I know it looks really tedious, and it was very tedious to do this and edit it, but also I think it was worth it at the end, and you guys should stick around to see the process of me getting there. But anyways, I would just suggest taking your time, and shout out to the girl whose video I am watching during all of this, because it was really helpful, and I'm going to link it down below for you guys if you want to see that too. Hey everyone, 500 years later, I'm finally done with this look. I used the Lunar Beauty palette to outline the purple, and I also used it to do this cut crease in all my eyeshadow, and I think it turned out pretty good. I'll insert a photo of my inspiration, and I'm also gonna link below the girl's video that I watched. Her YouTube is I Am Dazzle, and her video is called Queen Bee Makeup Tutorial. So I basically just copied her look, but then I made it purple instead of yellow. And I really like how this look turned out. I thought it was really fun and just unique. I've never seen anyone do this kind of look before, so I wanted to try it and put it out there before somebody else does. I haven't seen any looks like this. I've seen one makeup tutorial inspired by Backwoods, but they didn't do the full on turning themselves into a backwood. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe down below and let me know what you guys think of this look. Okay guys, that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my tutorial. It definitely took a long time, but I would just be patient, and I believe in you guys. If you want to recreate this look, then tag me in it or something. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.